Today we're gonna make enchiladas suizas, a very delicious recipe. And to make this recipe, we are gonna need tomatillos, jalapenos, chicken, Monterey Jack cheese. We're gonna need some garlic salt, some fajita seasoning, some green peppers, red peppers, and yellow peppers. Also, we're gonna need some tortillas, of course. And we're gonna start with the process. Okay, first we're gonna place some chicken on a pot with a little bit of water, like half a cup of water. Then we're gonna add the peppers. And we're gonna add some the fajita seasoning and the garlic salt. And then we're gonna add some onions. And some fresh tomatoes as well. Then we're gonna cook it for like 10 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna boil 4 tomatillos and 1 jalapeno. Strain the chicken from the chicken juice. And then we're gonna chop it up. So just bear with me as we chop it up. Okay, and this is how it's supposed to look, okay? I put it back in the juice of the chicken. Now the hot sauce is ready. You see how the tomatillos turn a little bit yellow color? And now we're gonna add some minced garlic. We're gonna put a little bit of fajita seasoning, some garlic salt, some cumin for flavor. And then we're gonna blend it. And this is how it should look once it's blended. Now we're gonna add vegetable oil on a frying pan, and we're gonna pour the salsa. Then we're gonna saute the salsa for 3 to 4 minutes. So now we're gonna blanch the tortillas. And in order to make these enchiladas authentic, you have to do this process. So you're gonna pour some oil on your frying pan or grill, and then you're just gonna place the tortilla and flip it right away. So now we have the tortillas already ready. First we are adding the cheese, and then we are adding the chicken. Once we put the chicken and the cheese, we're gonna fold them up like an egg roll. Now we're gonna add some salsa and spread it out evenly. And then we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And this is the final result, guys. On top of it, you're gonna put some sour cream, some rice and beans, and it's ready to enjoy. Hope you guys like the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.